Hi there, welcome to Bizzee Beaver's Workshop. I'm Bizzee Beaver.
And I'm Chloe, the junior scientist.
And today on Bizzee Beaver's Workshop, we are going to have fun as always and learn about clouds and shaving cream.
Well, actually, Bizzee, shaving cream could help us understand how clouds actually work.
You gotta be kidding. So you're saying we can blame shaving cream when it rains? I'm really confused.
Bizzee Beaver's Workshop, Bizzee Beaver's Workshop. Come on now, gather round, let's all see what's going down. The kids around to learn a lot in Bizzee Beaver's Workshop, Bizzee Beaver's Workshop.
Okay, Chloe, the junior scientist, let's see what we can cook up today in Bizzee Beaver's Workshop.
Well, today, Bizzee, we are going to be creating rain in a cup.
What? You can't hold much rain in a cup.
Yes, you can.
I gotta see this.
Just wait and see.
All right, well, here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a clear plastic cup filled with water, right there.
Yep.
We're gonna need, of course, the water and food coloring, right there. And we're gonna need some shaving cream. Now, spray some shaving cream on top, sort of like an ice cream sundae. Make sure you cover all the water with the shaving cream.
Speaking of ice cream sundaes today, it's Sunday.
Yes, that's right. Although some people will be watching this on a Tuesday,
Oh, yeah.
or a Wednesday, or a Friday.
Well, here's your Starbucks drink.
All right, that looks lovely. Then, take the food coloring, pick
Any
out the
color?
color you like,
Okay.
and add a few drops of food coloring to the top of your shaving cream. Just like that.
Doesn't seem like it's going through, Bizzee.
Okay, well let it work its way through there. Put some more in there. Any activity?
No.
Sometimes rain takes a little bit of coaxing to actually start raining.
Good point.
Those clouds are stubborn today.
Very.
Try a little bit more food coloring.
All right.
See if we can get this to work. Rain in a cup.
By the time it starts going through the shaving cream, we're going to have a blue cloud.
Wow. That's not so bad. Better than a gray cloud.
True.
I like blue clouds better, don't you?
I like white clouds.
White clouds, yes, with no rain. But of course, we all need rain.
Right. But I'm looking around the sides of the cup, and it seems
Yep.
like it's starting.
It's starting to rain?
No, not starting to rain, but it's dripping down the side.
Oh, well, that's like a rainstorm.
But it's not going into the water yet.
Try a little bit more food coloring, see what happens.
I might have made the shaving cream pile a little too high.
Sometimes we like a lot of rain, especially down at the beaver pond. Helps us build things. Do we have any rain yet?
Oh yeah, we do.
Whoa!
We have some rain.
Whoa! It's raining in a cup.
It looks more of like a jellyfish storm than
That's kind of cool, yeah. Sort of like a rainbow of rain.
except it's just blue.
Just blue, a blue rainbow. You ever seen just a blue rainbow?
No.
There's no such thing, right?
Nope.
Well, that is pretty cool.
The whole thing is basically blue now.
Wow. So it's like blue rain.
Let's try green.
Okay. I like green.
It's not really starting to rain, but like the parts that I put kind of in the middle
Yeah.
started not to drip down, or they're not dripping down yet, but the ones on the side are dripping down.
Oh, cool.
Oh wow, it's being infested with green.
Neato. I like it. I like it. Let me get a closer look. Ooh. That's neato. Do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. really neat. Wow. See what you can do with shaving cream and water and food coloring? You can have lots of fun with this.
I'm disappointed that the middle part hasn't started raining yet.
Yeah,
Oh, it's coming.
yeah, the rain's coming down. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Bizzee Beaver, this is not the time for singing.
Whoa, why not? Anytime is good for singing, right?
Well, maybe the
Right,
audience
kids?
wouldn't enjoy it.
I think they like singing. All kids like singing. Even beavers like singing.
Well, I mean, you are a pretty good singer for a beaver.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I try.
Well, you're doing a good job.
I think I might be the only singing beaver in the world, right?
Could be.
I believe that's true.
Probably.
All right, so we created a rainstorm in a cup.
More of a tsunami in a cup.
Tsunami, yeah, more like a tsunami.
And if you don't know what a tsunami is, it's basically a huge wave that comes out of the ocean.
That's right, you're pretty smart. Get a
Oh.
closer look at this again. Let's see this. Whoa, that is neato.
It is
I like
pretty.
it. Good job, Chloe, the junior scientist.
Thank you, Bizzee.
Well, you want to know how this works? Well, think of the shaving cream as clouds, and think of the water as air, and think of the food coloring as rain. You got that? So, the food coloring starts trickling through the shaving cream, making it real heavy, and when the shaving cream or the cloud can no longer hold it, the food coloring rains down into the water, just like rain falls down through the air. Molecules in the cold water move very slowly. So, it takes a lot longer for the food coloring or the rain to spread through the water. Got it? Pretty cool, right? Wow, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Well, that's it for Bizzee Beaver's workshop today. Hope you had fun and learned a little something too. I'm Bizzee Beaver,
And I'm Chloe, the junior scientist.
and see you next time on Bizzee Beaver's workshop. You can also check us out at BizzeeBeaver.com for lots of other cool stuff and information. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Wow, that was very
That was
colorful.
very fun.
Yeah, let me take a closer look at that. That's really something. Blue and green together. It's kind of a cool color combination. I like it. Don't you like it?
Would you like a taste?
I don't think so. Not drinkable, that's for sure. Wow.
Bizzee Beaver.